Welcome to our channel. Discover a simple way to fix Sezzle transaction failures fast. Welcome to our channel. If you've ever faced a Sezzle transaction failure and felt stuck, don't worry, because today I'll walk you through an easy step-by-step method to resolve this issue quickly. First, let's understand why these transaction failures happen. Knowing the reason helps us find the right fix. Common causes include insufficient funds, a problem with your card connected to Sezzle, or issues on Sezzle's own system. Now, here is what you should do step by step. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure your debit or credit card linked to Sezzle is valid and has enough available balance. Sometimes cards expire or banks hold payments that can cause failure. Confirm your card details are up to date and your bank hasn't blocked the transaction. Step 2. Ensure your internet connection is stable. A shaky connection can interrupt the payment process, causing failure. Try switching to Wi-Fi or another network before reattempting payment. Step 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old data stored on your browser interferes with the online payment process. Clearing cache and cookies can refresh your session and solve hidden issues. Step 4. Use a different browser or device. If problems persist, try completing your transaction on another browser or device. This can help determine if there is an issue specific to the device or browser. Step 5. Double-check your billing address. The billing address you enter must exactly match the one registered with your bank. Any mismatch can trigger transaction failure. Step 6. Contact your bank or card issuer. If all the above steps look good, but failure continues, reach out to your bank or card issuer. There might be a block or hold on your card that they can remove. Step 7. Finally, contact Sezzle support. If none of these steps work, getting help from Sezzle customer service is essential. They can check for any issues on their end or guide you further by carefully following these steps. You should be able to fix most Sezzle transaction failures with ease and get back to your purchases without hassle. Don't forget to double-check every detail and keep your payment info current. This method helps save time and frustration so you can shop confidently and smoothly. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more helpful tips.